Hello and welcome to my channel. This is part 3 of my Sims 3 custom moodlet tutorial. And in this tutorial I'm going to show you about 4 different functions that you can use to do a variety of things with your moodlets. And the 4 methods are on addition, on removal, on timeout, and should add. Okay, so let's get started. So first I'm going to start with on addition. So public override void on addition, and then I'm just going to let Visual Studio fill it in. So on addition is the method that gets triggered when the moodlet gets added. So whatever you want to happen the moment the moodlet gets added, you put that in the on addition method. And now I'm going to add the on timeout and on removal method the same way I added the on addition method. So on removal is when the moodlet gets removed, whether by control clicking after testing cheats enabled, or by the sim getting reset, or maybe another interaction removes the moodlet. So whatever you want to happen when the moodlet gets removed this way, you add that in the on removal method. And the on timeout method gets called when the moodlet times out. So in my enhanced vampire mod, for example, I made it so the on fire moodlet will be added after the heating up moodlet times out. So I added that in the on timeout method for my custom heating up moodlet. And the next method is public override bool should add. The should add moodlet is to check whether the moodlet should be allowed or not. So for example, maybe you are creating a disease moodlet and you don't want vampires or werewolves to get the disease. So you can put a check in the should add method. Return false means don't add and true means add. In my enhanced vampire mod, I use this to check for weather. So if it's raining, the heating up moodlet will not get added. Okay, and now let me show you a bit more about how you can do this. So come back to the on addition method, and inside on addition method write sim actor equals to bm.actor. Now bm.actor means the sim that has this moodlet. And in the next line write actor.buffmanager.remove element buff names dot, and from this list select any moodlet. I'm going to pick allergy haze. So whenever this moodlet is added, the allergy haze moodlet will be removed. Now come to on removal, and now again write sim actor equals to bm.actor, and write actor dot buff manager dot add element buff names dot, and here pick any moodlet you want. I'm going to pick the on fire moodlet, and comma origins, and I'm going to pick alchemy here, but it doesn't matter, you can pick whatever you want. And I'm going to do the same for on timeout. Okay, and now come to the should add method, and again write sim actor equals to bm.actor. And now I'm going to make it so that if a sim has the moodlet on a beach, then this moodlet cannot be added. So the on a beach moodlet will prevent our tutorial test moodlet. So if actor.buffManager.has element buff names dot on a beach, return false. Otherwise return true. Okay, and now let's do a small test to see if it works. I'm only going to test the on remove method here, but the other methods can also be tested in a similar way, and you should definitely try and experiment with it. And now through NRAS master controller, I'm going to add this moodlet. And now I'm going to control click and remove this moodlet. You have to have testing cheats enabled true in order to do this. And now after removing, I'm getting the on fire moodlet, as you can see. So this mod is working as we want. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.